To begin, you are going to start with a magic ring. In the magic ring, you'll insert a slip knot. And now you'll put in all of these following stitches. Chain 2, 3 triple crochets. That's 1 triple crochet, 2 triple crochets, and 3 triple crochets. Then 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets, a triple crochet, and now let's repeat the other side. 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet, here's the second one, and here's the third one. Then 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch inside the ring. Now, here's the magic part. You've got so many stitches, all you need to do is pull your ring closed. And you've got this cute little heart shape. What you'll do at this point is fasten off with a decently long tail that you can use to tie a knot behind the back. I just like to pull my yarn tails into the back of the heart. And remember to pull your yarn end really tight. That starting yarn end needs to be tight for the circle to close. Once you pull it to the back, you can go ahead and tie it with a really tight knot. That's that for our cute little heart. As you can see, that was very quick and easy to make. You can make a ton of these for Valentine's Day as little party favors, as appliques to put on your dolls or projects, or as keychains and hair clips and more.